And today we are with the Minecraft Masters, and if you can... Oh yeah. Yeah, I did change my name. I still can't remember that. But yeah, my name's Penguino. My new name is
Guys, we're
Penguino.
gonna have a great stream today. And we're starting the stream in
By the way...
2, 1... Wait. Not.
So I'm with Gynefather. And make sure to... If you see my face, just remember... Don't think it's not the Minecraft Masters. It is Penguino now. It's Penguino as my name. Cause there's 16 million thousand Minecraft Masters, so I think...
Okay.
Wait.
I'm starting the stream in 3, 2, 1...
Okay, we're going to lobby 11.
We're live, folks.
Lobby 11. Okay?
Lobby what?
11.
Why?
Because it has most people. I'm in lobby 11.
Okay, let me go. Okay, guys, we are live right now. And we are going to move.
I'm not live.
Yeah, well, I'm live. So let me just go into here.
Okay, 11, please. Yeah, I'll wait for you over by the team thingy. Oh, there's pizza. We need to get there. Pizza, 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 pizza.
Okay, yep, we are going, folks.
Are you in pizza?
No, I'm not in pizza. I'm not even in the game.
Oh. Yeah, I'm not in pizza either.
Okay, so no one's watching right now. So we're gonna...
Well, people are watching.
Oh, yeah.
People are watching. People are watching. People.
Okay. We're...
Are you in lobby 11? In the big one?
What?
Are you in lobby 11?
No.
I don't understand why I don't change my skin. I'm Steve. I need to be a penguin.
I'm already in lobby 11.
Oh, well, are you? Where are you?
I meet by the team.
Okay, I'm at the team. Where are you? Wait, meet by the solo because there's less people. Are you Santa? Santa Dog?
No, I have a TNT hat.
Wait, are you at solo?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. I guess we're playing different games. Here, I'll pause. Guys,
wait, no, where are
I'll see you when we're in the same thing. Is here, he is right here. Hi, here.
Okay, let's do Under the Sea.
Wait, where?
Under the Sea.
Where? Under the Sea is full.
Okay.
Let's do pizza, pizza, pizza.
Where is pizza?
Top left.
Okay, I mean, no, that's Oriental. No, I went to the
top right. Oh yeah, it was top right.
Stay. Oh no, dude, leave. There's 6.
Last leave.
Okay, do.
I guess. What?
How about?
I don't see you. By the way, I don't see you. By the way, wait. Oh, I might not be in lobby 12. Okay, I'm in going to lobby 12. Okay, so where are you? I don't see you.
Okay.
Oh, this is so bad. You guys, you know what? I'll see you when I'm with him in the glassy thingies to save some time. Yes, that's what I always do, bro. Double health, no more items. Double health, no more items, guys.
No, dude, it's normal health.
Okay. Wait, where are you?
I'm on the board, dude.
Are you sure? Is that you?
Move your dirt. Move your dirt. Move your dirt.
Where?
Move your dirt.
Where are you? I don't see you.
I'm hitting the dirt.
Oh, you, that guy? Oh my god. Okay. Oh, I guess it's normal items.
Why do you like double health?
I love double health. It's amazing.
Why?
Cause you get double health with
I like
normal,
normal health.
and it is normal health. Annoyingly,
I like normal health.
That's also kinda. Where? That's weird. Oh my god! I lost my face cam. What in the world? Sorry, guys. I guess I'll have to live with it.
Thank you so much for watching that stream. People,
Wait,
we really
it just ended?
no, there's people on the same place for watching the stream.
Oh, okay.
Why would I eat? Okay, I'm gonna do chess. Oh, really? Wait, yellow only has
I don't know why I'm.
yellow only has one person. I'm gonna go chess them.
Oh, chilled.
I can't believe they only have one person.
What?
Dude, I feel so bad for yellow right now. I have one person.
Wait, where are you? Oh yeah, yellow.
Oh god, he sees me. Dude, come reinforcements.
Yes, me is coming.
Go. I'm gonna jump for it.
No, that's not a doable jump. Oh, it is?
I just did it, bruh.
Oh, I fell. I never thought I could do that jump.
And
I'm sorry about the face cam. I don't know what happens there.
dude, come. I need reinforcements.
Well, I need to get
Yes, I
armor.
killed him. I killed y'all.
I don't know why I just did that. I just got a wood sword when I could have got stone. Weird life is good. Okay.
Okay, we're going. I'm just going around the clock, dude.
Really?
Next up is light blue.
Hopefully.
This is hard for that. Could you come and reinforce me?
Yeah. Oh, I don't have a sword.
Gray, right?
I can't make that jump, boy.
Well, then get more blocks.
Oh,
You
boy,
need to
boy,
get
boy.
blocks. Then
Okay.
you can build.
I'm really bad at building.
Just need blocks.
Yeah. I'll practice with nothing. Actually, no, I'm not gonna practice with nothing. I can do it.
Dude, say goodbye to blue head.
Okay. Goodbye, goodbye. I said goodbye.
Stop running.
Like little bit. Nice.
I'm gonna run.
Wait, God. Whoa, bro. I don't see evidence that.
You don't see evidence.
Okay, there. Oh, Facecam is back. What? Oh my God. I don't know what. I don't know what just happened. I'm sorry, guys.
What can you build?
Maybe. Wait, I have to do this, and then.
How do you see that ability?
Oh, I'm building. I'm building. Savage. Yes. Oh God, why did I place that? Okay. Where are you right now? I can see you on the bridge.
No, I'm not. I'm just getting
Oh, someone. They're breaking the. They're breaking the bridge.
They're breaking the broken bridge. They're breaking the broken
I'm building it.
bridge. Get it, I'm coming.
I'm building it. Oh, I fell. Alright.
Don't worry, I'm coming.
Dang it.
Oh, I see that broken bridge.
I get it. Ooh,
Dude, you
bro.
don't need to keep on clicking. You can just hold.
What?
You don't need to keep on clicking. You can just hold.
Yeah, I know. I know. I know. I know that. But I'm really bad at holding. I must go through all the bridges of the bridges.
Oh,
Oh, egg.
who's Jesus?
Oh, I see him. I see him.
Oh, I see. No, dude, I'm gonna take their bridge.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh, I died. Okay, that's
Dude,
it.
no, don't.
That's it for me. That's
You're
it.
gonna keep on clicking.
Yeah, I'll spin the vid. Okay.
Dude, I'm the last person.
Hello. No, not hello. Goodbye. There we go. And I'll see you in another video
Still got
like
that one
2
person
seconds.
watching us.
Okay. So I'll see you in a couple seconds.